Hi, and welcome to Haggerty High School's virtual open house. My name is Ashley Camden, and I am your student's AP Environmental Science instructor. Just a little bit about myself. I grew up in Orlando, Florida. I've been teaching at Haggerty High School for 10 years. I'm married and have a son who is 19 months old. I have a golden retriever named Callie, who is 3 and I absolutely adore. And I am a UCF Knight. Go Knights. The best way to get a hold of me is through email. My email is ashley_camden at scps.k12.fl.us. If you want to talk to me on the phone, the best way to get a conversation going is to shoot me an email. Tell me your availability and what phone number you'd like to be reached at. If you prefer voicemail, you may leave one. I check them about once a day. If you're interested in getting grades for your student, the best place to check is Skyward. If you are on eCampus as a parent observer, you will see grades, but the official record for the grades is in Skyward, not eCampus. eCampus is a very helpful tool. I have everything organized by our units. So there are 9 units plus the unit 0, which is the intro unit in AP Environmental Science. So everything is organized by unit and then by topic. If you need more information on what's going on at Haggerty High School, policies, please check out our HHS website for a wealth of information. Haggerty High School has a policy for tardiness and absences. For tardy students, they must receive a hero pass from either Building 1, which is the main office, Building 7 administration, or Building 2. They can meet an administrator in the hallways and they will print out a pass for them if they're tardy. If students are absent, they can have 9 unexcused absences in each course before they will lose credit. If you would like to make up those absences, Saturday school dates will be on the Haggerty High School website. Our updated dress code will be on the Haggerty High School webpage. And another note is masks. Masks are optional. If a student opts out of wearing a mask, their parent had to send in a letter, and that will be on file. Students moving around the classroom need to just ask permission, and if they need to go to the restroom, there's a QR code to sign in and out. In this class, students are expected to have all of the materials ready when we start our class. We will be working through the CED throughout the year. We will focus on the 9 major units, and then we just finished our Unit 0. Our AP exam will be on Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. Some assignments for E's will be submitted on eCampus. Others will be submitted in person. Labs will often be completed in the classroom or in our lab room. Some may also be outside. I don't anticipate any misbehavior in an AP level course, but should that happen, students will earn a 0 on the lab and a referral. We appreciate lab donations. As you can see from some of these pictures, we have various labs planned for our AP course. On your screen, you'll see a link to our My School Bucks AP Environmental Science account. You will also see a QR code. If it's convenient for you, feel free to pause the video and access either of those. If it's easier for you, on my eCampus page, I have a link to our My School Bucks, and I also have a second copy of the QR code. We, as teachers, appreciate any donations you can give. Thank you. Thanks for coming to my virtual open house. If there's anything you'd like to discuss further, please send me an email. And as always, go Huskies!